How to use AMI car insurance and properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. AMI car insurance is a well-known choice in New Zealand, but many drivers make mistakes that can cost them money or leave them underprotected. The surprising truth is that just having a policy doesn't guarantee full coverage. You need to understand how to use it. A major mistake is relying only on third-party liability coverage. While it meets legal requirements, it won't cover damage to your own car after an accident. Adding comprehensive or collision coverage ensures your vehicle and finances are protected. Another common error is mismanaging deductibles. A low deductible reduces your out-of-pocket costs after a claim, but increases your premium. High deductible lowers premiums, but can be costly if you need to make a claim. Choosing a deductible that balances risk and affordability is crucial. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Life changes such as moving, adding a new driver, or purchasing a new car can affect coverage. Ignoring these changes may result in gaps or denied claims. Many drivers also overlook discounts. AMI provides savings for bundling policies, safe driving, winter tires, and accident-free records. Missing these discounts can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can delay or reduce payouts. Document damages, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can get the most out of AMI car insurance. Make sure your coverage is appropriate, choose the right deductible, update your policy regularly, use available discounts, and understand the claims process. This keeps your insurance effective and ensures peace of mind on every journey.